Individually renaming files can be tiring. Did you know you can also rename files by selecting a file and then pressing the F2 key? Apart from that, you can also rename files using the Home tab. Navigate to the respective folder and select the file that you want to rename. Click on the Home tab and then simply rename. Alternatively, you can use Easy File Renamer to rename files in bulk. First, download and install Easy File Renamer. Now, go to System Renamer and select Add Files to load the files you wish to rename. If you want to rename folders instead of files, you can do so by selecting the Folders tab. Next, navigate to Step 2 and select a rule. There are different rules that can be used to replace text, trim text, add numbers, change file names to uppercase or lowercase, etc. Completely new names can be given. After selecting each rule, click on Add Rule. You'll also be able to see a preview of the changes. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on the Rename button. Woohoo! Within seconds, you'll have your files renamed.